use dark mode on Canva? Open Canva on PC or mobile devices, then sign into your Canva account. Once you have done that, you need to go to Settings by clicking on the square icon at the top right corner of the screen. Now on the settings page, you have to scroll all the way down until and unless you don't see the theme. So you can choose how you like Canva to appear. You can select a theme or sync themes with your system preferences. So in order to use dark theme, you can select dark, and in this way you can easily use dark mode or dark theme on Canva. That's how we do it. I hope this video was helpful for you. If it was, then hit the like button and subscribe to our channel.